Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining us for the first time, welcome. Valentine's Day is upon us, and whether you're chilling with Bae or having a Galentine's, we need looks. So I decided to put together this really simple get ready with me so you guys can have some inspo for your Valentine's look. So let's get into it. So we're starting off with a fresh face. I'm going to use my Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer and get some color back in. Then I'm going to go in with some petroleum jelly because we're a little crusty. And now we're ready. I'm going to start off with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Face Primer. I love this thing. I love to focus it on the under eye area, the forehead, my T-zone, and my eyelids. I just rub it in and we get started on our eyebrows. I use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil to just get my eyebrows together so we can actually fill them in. I tweeze a little bit and then I get my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil and just fill in. I start by drawing a line at the bottom and dragging upward and a line at the top, and I just fill in the center with small strokes. I'm going to do the same for this other eyebrow. This is the lazy girl's eyebrow routine. If you're a lazy girl like me, this is perfect for you. And again, just brush upward. I'm going to take my spoolie, that NYX Micro Brow Pencil spoolie, and just brush it again. Then I'm going to grab my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a flat brush. This is in the color Toffee. I swear by this. And I'm just going to clean up the bottom of my brows, draw a line, and drag downward. I'm going to do the same on the other side with that same flat brush. Be careful not to wipe off some of your eyebrow. And I'm going to do the same on the top really quickly on both eyelids. Boom! There you go. Just make sure you blend with your finger just to make sure that it's not looking like a halo. I'm going to take my beauty blender and wet that bad boy just a little bit. I always have a makeup towel nearby for moments like this. I'm going to go in with that same concealer in Toffee for the eyelids, prime them again, and just blend with my beauty blender. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're going to put shadow on top anyway. So I'm going to go in with my Luxie blending brush. This is the tapered blending brush number 205. And I'm going to take this light brown, almost orangey color just to use as like a base, kind of like a transition color. But it's a little orangey, but we're just going to go with it. Just go with it and blend for your life. You'll see in this look we are blending for our lives. And whatever I do to one side, I'm going to do to the other side. I'm taking this Wet n Wild palette in Comfort Zone. This thing has been through it with me. But I'm going to take this dark brown color and I'm going to go in the corner, the outer corner of my eye in V fashion. And I'm just going to blend that into the color, into the crease, and into the same color that we used before in V-like motion. If you get a little bit of eyeshadow elsewhere on your face, don't worry about it. I love to take this Garnier Fructis micellar water and a cotton pad and just wipe that bad boy off and continue blending. Now that we've blended out and upward towards the eyebrow, it's okay if it's not perfect because you're gonna fix it later. I'm just dragging in that V a little bit more. Then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Ultra Pearl pigment, and this is in the color Pearl. And I'm just going to fill in the rest of my eyelid. This is almost like a cut crease, but again, the lazy girl version. Then I'm taking my Ulta Beauty New Who Shadow cleaner. So I love this thing because I can take the same brush that I was using for one thing and just clean it off and use it for another color. So I'm going into my LA Colors matte palette. I'm taking this dark brown color and I'm just using it to blend everything together. Really quickly, I'm just blending in that corner where we put the dark brown color and then in the crease as well. I'm going in with a clean eyebrow brush. This is Real Techniques eyebrow brush, eyeshadow brush, Lord help us, just to blend that out. Then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild eyeliner. This is the felt tip eyeliner. It's the part of their pro line, and I'm going to do my winged eyeliner. I live by a wing. I don't know what I would do if I couldn't do a wing liner. So yeah, thank God for that. Just want to make sure that you get as close to your eye lashes as possible, close to the lash line, to really make sure it stays dark. Then I'm taking my Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel mascara. I love this thing. I have no eyelashes, so it really helps me to grab onto the shortest lashes possible and drag them out as much as possible. But I like to go in with a second mascara. This is from Mally, and I love this one because it grabs on and it really elongates and gives volume to the eyelashes. So if you don't have lashes and you are not super huge on falsies like myself, then this Mally mascara is perfect for you. Go get it now, right now. So I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer again in the color Toffee, same concealer, and we're going to conceal this, we're going to snatch this face, okay? Under eye, forehead, down the nose, under the cheekbones, around the chin. Get that Beauty Blender damp again and blend for your life. Just going to blend, blend, blend. You want to make sure you really get that blended out. And add a little bit more as necessary. I think we look good like this. What do y'all think? No, we're going to take our MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation in NW45. I don't use liquid foundation, but I love this because it's perfect. And I'm taking my Real Technique sculpting brush. I love to use this brush because it is angled and it helps me get those areas like down the sides of the nose, under the cheekbones. Really helps to just make sure I hit all the angles. And just because we got a shadow a little bit all over the place, we're going to take that flat brush again and we're going to just clean up and then go back with our blending brush and our tapered blending brush and just blend out that color again. I'm taking another beauty blender. This is my Real Techniques beauty blender and my Maybelline Master Chrome highlight. This is the Master Chrome by Face Studio highlight in the color Molten Gold. If you haven't heard about this highlight, you need to go find it now. This thing it's literal. I mean, look, it's literal gold. Like your face is gold. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. blush brush and this Pandora's Face blush in the color Pink Carnation. I got this in the Ipsy bag a long time ago and I love it. Put that right on my cheeks. Go back in with the Maybelline The Falsies Push Up Angel mascara for those non-existent bottom lashes. And we're feeling ourselves clearly, guys. I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray and just get all the way in there. Word to the wise, do not get it in your nose and do not open your mouth. It does not taste good. I don't know what I'm singing here, but clearly this song was life. So now let's get this hair together. So as you can see, the hair is not doing it for me right now. I'm going to stick some pins in the front because I'm in a rush. I don't have time for none of that got to be or taping or gluing anything down. So we're just going to stick 2 pins in the front. You can see the pin on the side of my head, so I'm going to fix that. Pulling out a little bit of leave out just to cover that front line. Nobody needs to know our business, y'all. So I'm going to adjust that pin that you could see before. And let's get this hair together. So I'm grabbing the shorter end and I'm curling it with using a flat iron, curling it away from my face to give me that flip. And I'm going to do the same with this side. I'm going to curl it a little bit more. going around the barrel, just making sure that I do get somewhat of a curl, and then brushing it out for this flip. And now, okay, now we're getting it together. We're starting to look like something. Yes, honey. Yes. And just so that we can pretend that we actually tried, we're going to curl this one piece in the front. Just to give ourselves some life in the front. All right. Brush it out. Make sure you brush it out. It's important. And there we go. We just go back. Make sure you blend your chin, your neckline. You don't want to have two different color skin tones. Not a good look. I'm going to go back and just always touch up the eyebrows last, just because we've been moving that brush all around our face. We wiped off a little bit. Yeah. Just want to make sure we still have eyebrows when we're finished. Okay. And we're done with the hair. Yes, honey. Yes, yes. So now let's get it together. We're going to use our Degree deodorant because we want to smell good. This is the Bath & Body Works Cashmere Glow Ultra Shea Body Lotion. I love mixing this with my Nivea Irresistibly Smooth Body Lotion. I think that it just really moisturizes my skin. It smells really good, and I get to spread it all over. It's time to pick an outfit. Valentine's Day, everybody's wearing red, but do we want to do the red burgundy thing? No, let's go for a classic LBD, little black dress. Now shoes, a little glitter, a little sparkle, a pop of color. We don't know what we're going for, so I love to lay out all of my options all together so I can see which ones work best together, and then try them all on and see what I like, what I'm in the mood for, what I'm feeling. So this off-the-shoulder black dress is from Boohoo. I'm going to try to find it and link it in the description box for you guys. But this dress was everywhere on everyone. It sold out so fast, so if I can find some similar options, I'll definitely leave them. You guys know the boob struggle. Gotta make sure the girls are sitting right. Fix the hair. Yes, since we are off the shoulder, we're going to take that Maybelline Master Chrome Face Studio highlight, and we're going to highlight our shoulders. Yes, this is a trick because we want that chocolate to glow. Get that collarbone and a little bit on the chest, because why not, right? Why not? And once again, we're feeling ourselves. Let's try these shoes on. This first pair is glitter and fur. It's a sandal from ASOS. I love this shoe, but I'm not going to lie, it's not the most comfortable. So, option 2. These bad boys are from Shoe Dazzle. They're like a pink velvet suede material, and they have gems going up the heel. I love these, but it was raining. So we're going to try these purple satin sandals, tie up around the ankle. These are from Aldo, and I love these. Oh my goodness. They are so sexy, comfortable, and just the perfect pop of color, especially against this black dress. So I think we're going to go with these. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what shoe you would have chosen. So I'm just going to pull this hot pink metallic shoulder bag. This one is actually from Nine West, but I got it a few years ago from Plato's Closet. If you watched my Plato's Closet haul a long time ago, you probably would have seen this. I love this bag because, again, it's a statement piece and it works perfectly. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day Get Ready With Me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss the next video. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you'll be doing on the 14th, whether you're milk cocoa, vanilla cocoa, dulce de cocoa, whatever kind of chocolate you want to be. You are still a goddess. I love you. Stay chocolate and have a happy Valentine's Day.